Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be rating my fidget toys if you can't tell by the title already. So first we have my marble. First we have my marble. Oh, can you get that? I'm so clumsy today. Okay, so first we have my marble mesh. 10 out of 10. It's so occupying. I would definitely recommend it for your kids if you have kids, or if your kid's watching this. I don't really care. But this is actually really fun. But it seems boring, but it's really not. And you can also stretch it and do fun stuff with it. It's amazing. And then I have a green one. I'm also having a fidget pattern coming in 19 stuff. With 19 more stuff. Oh, I think I'm spinning it the wrong way. This is actually really fast. I think it's really occupying. I think it will keep occupied for a while, but eventually it'll get boring. Not obsessed with the color. I'm not really. I like purple. It's just not like, oh, I'm crazy about it. But here it is. I'm gonna rate it 5 out of 10. So we gotta show them. Okay, so this is broken. It actually took me a couple tries to get back in, but it kind of works. And then that's not the one. I'm gonna rate it a 2 out of 10 because it's hard to get out since it's unfortunately broken. But I'm getting 2 more of those with my fidget packet, so I'll make another video. Oh, sorry. I'll make another video reviewing my fidget packet when it gets here. Okay, next is my clicker pickle lid. It's obviously a pickle lid if you haven't noticed. It just kind of clicks. I'll rate this in 5 out of 10 because it's a little occupying. It clicks for those like clicking fidget toys. But you can like get it off a pickle jar, I guess. And then we gotta show them. Okay, so it's a Neato ball. Here, let me see it. It's a Neato ball. It's actually very entertaining. Definitely a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's really entertaining. So next is my puppet. 10 out of 10. Oh, absolutely love it. My grandma got it. It's so special to me. It has a little hole in it because of a baby, not him. Oh, okay. And next is. Can you get those? Oh my gosh, I thought that was dog poop. Next is my butt chain. If I can find it. Dang, I just had it a second ago. Oh, here it is. So, next is my bike chain. I think this thing, it can be entertaining, but it eventually gets boring. You just kind of twist it, twist. I'm gonna rate this. I'm gonna rate this a 6 out of 10. But anyways, I'm so glad you guys came to watch this video. If you liked it, then it's okay. If you don't want to subscribe, but if you want to subscribe, that's totally fine. I'm good with it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. I'll have a next YouTube video when my fidget packet comes. Bye, guys.